हम हक पर जान लुटाएंगे, हम शौक़ शहादत वाले हैं। हम हक पर जान लुटाएंगे, हम शौक़ शहादत वाले हैं। वो साथ हमारा तर्क कर दें जो मौत से डरने वाले हैं। I would like to invite Sania for speech.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोड़ कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। Worldly principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you all know, we are gathered here in the memory of our brave fighters. Yes, dear sir, 55 years ago on 6 September 1965, India attacked our dear homeland, Pakistan, in the darkness and silence of night. They attacked Pakistan unwarned and unnoticed. At 3 a.m. on September 6, Indians crossed the internal frontiers of West Pakistan. Their main intention was to cut off Punjab from the independent Pakistan. They attacked vigorously on the areas like Lahore and Sialkot. Respected sir, Pakistan Army, Air Force and the local people were unaware and were not prepared for the attack. But our army and civilians stood as stable as rigid wall in front of the Indian Army. Indian Army used Wagah border as the gateway by developing brave men. Many army officers and soldiers let their life. They preferred losing their life but did not let Indian Army to conquer Lahore. जो भरोसा था उसे कुव्वते बाजू पर था, जो भरोसा था उसे कुव्वते बाजू पर था। है तुम्हें मौत का डर, उसको खुदा का डर था। Dear friends, in the memory of those brave fighters of Pakistan, we observe September 6 of Pakistan every year. Defense Day is a day to renew our pledge that we are a powerful, proud country and no foreign power, no matter how strong it is, can bully us. Dear friends, this is the day when we pay tribute to the brave soldiers who sacrificed their life in defending their homeland in the enemy. Respected sir, we celebrated Defense Day and remember all sacrifices so we can be strong and send right message to country's youth and children. शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे धीर के काबिल, शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे धीर के काबिल। वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था। शुक्रिया।